Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's having a wonderful Sunday morning. I just picked this up. It's not, it runs good. It needs a little work. Looks like a nut missing off the handle right here. They took a rope holding it on there. Bar looks to be in good shape. Just upside down. Not that big of a deal. Got a lot of sawdust on it. I'm going to be looking into that right there. They got it all messed up. And I can't tell if that right there is a actual hole or what the deal is with it. Doesn't seem like anything leaks as far as I can tell, but when I went and checked it out, it was on Facebook Marketplace. They said that it runs. Said it just needs a new rope, which if take a look at that rope. It's pretty thin. It definitely works there. They started it up for me and everything. It is a Echo CS330T, and I don't want to start it up right now. My neighbors, like I said, it's Sunday. I don't think my neighbors want to hear a chainsaw running. It's not that early, but it's after 11 o'clock, nearly lunchtime. But, just trying to be respectful to my neighbors, and, you will get to see it in action soon enough, I promise you. I got some trees I'd like to cut down. Like, I'm thinking maybe this one or maybe that tall one there, because the one there don't have any leaves on it yet. It may just be too early in the season, but if you look back here by the river, there's some stuff I want to take down, and then right here next to this tree there's some small stuff I want to get rid of. Probably take this stuff down, and this stuff I'm not 100% sure. There he is. Good looking little airplane there. I'm a big fan of the airplanes and helicopters. Small ones, I don't. Helicopters, I like them all. The airplanes, the small 4-passenger planes, they're the fun ones. But I'm gonna take those down. Got some trimming to do there. Yeah. some little stuff around this tree here. That tree leans out over the river. And then of course back over there I'm gonna try to clean that up, and I'm just not ready to make a bunch of racket today, you know. I mean, it's Sunday, and kind of give the neighbors a break. Check out that. I gotta get down here and transplant that. We'll find somewhere up around the house to put that little flower. This was all underwater about a month ago, and I mean, it uncovered the brick. That big, let me get that piece of stone right there, uncovered the rushing water over this, uncovered that. I didn't even know it was over there. But there's a lot more rocks and stuff through here. But get these trees out of the way, and kind of clean this up a little bit, because I want to have a view of the river. You know, I don't want a bunch of trees. I mean, I have nothing against trees. I'm no tree hugger, but I don't have nothing against trees. But anyway, just keep an eye out on, if you're interested in seeing this saw in action. And who knows, it might be later on, if my neighbor leaves and stuff, then I might come out and fire it up. I mean, when it comes to getting a new toy, I mean, I know a chainsaw ain't a toy, don't get me wrong, but when I mean, these are big boy toys, and you know, you get a new toy, you want to play with it. You know, nothing changes except like, you know, when we were kids, we had our bikes, Hot Wheels, radio controlled cars, and, you know, racetracks, stuff like that. And then as you get older, your toys, you get rid of the Hot Wheels and you get into actual cars, you know. I mean, I've got my share of them here. Quads, motorcycles, riding mowers, chainsaw, weed eater. You know, the toys, the only difference between men and boys is the price of their toys. Okay, so anyway, I'm rambling. I actually found on Parts Tree, they've got a lot of information on that chainsaw. I'm gonna go check it out, and I want to fix that handle. I would love to find that. I think it's the tank that needs to be replaced, and for the oiler. So I'd like to get that fixed. I'm gonna replace that rope. That's easy. So anyway, I'll catch you guys on the comment side. Take care.